I'm Larry Rogers of the Clovis Animal Control, and I'm holding in my hand Australian Shepherd mixed puppy. It's a female. She's looking for a good home. She's got a good temperament. She gets along with the other puppy that was in her cage with her. If you're interested in this puppy, call us at 769-7893. We're located at 2203 East Brady, south of town. That's right by the fairgrounds, cat a corner with the fairgrounds at the corner of Norris and Brady. Thank you. Good girl.